Welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to enable auto backup in the IMO app on your phone. Auto backup is an important feature because it helps you save your chat history securely. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After entering Settings, tap on Chat. Then, from the list of options, tap on Chat Backup. Now, click on Auto Backup option. Finally, choose the backup frequency that suits you best, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. This will make sure your chats are automatically saved based on your chosen schedule. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.